Welcome everyone to today's episode of the Dad Gardener, where we're going to finish planting the olive trees along the fence line, just as a bit of a blocker. And Moussa Buddy's annoying us again, everyone. But we'll just see how we go, and we'll take it from there, okay? Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, there's both olive trees. I've already saved time and I've dug the holes. So they're not too deep. Notice I've got a water line, so it bypasses here, so it doesn't go anywhere near these holes. There's the other one. Okay. So let's go ahead and plant them. So the first thing I'm going to do is position my tree. Have a bit of a look at that. To me that's actually pretty good for a first attempt. So that'll be fine. And I'll get my spade. Very important when you're planting trees, you don't press the air around them. You just let the soil do its own magical thing. I'm going to make a well around these trees. Just a bit of a hat like that, not too much. I'm not going to put that. There we go, here's nice and straight. I'll do the other one. There, you can see there. And that's that one. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll water these now, straight up. I'll probably water these about, quite a few times today. Very bit late to be planting at the moment, but so I'll need lots of water. And it fills the hole up. You notice I didn't press around them a whole lot with my foot. You never do that when planting trees, because it squashes all the oxygen out of the well. Doesn't do the tree a great deal of good either. So, best thing to do is water it and let nature do it itself with the soil falling in the hole, and keep filling up the well of water. Might take me 2 or 3 times today. won't let this little wall fill out. Like, I won't let the water overflow the top. As it's starting to do now. So then I'll pull away. Water these lambs here while I'm here. Not doing much at the moment. Now I've got this little bit of leftover pine mulch. I'm going to use it on the olive trees as well, so I'll spread that. Alrighty, so there's our olive trees planted, guys. Yeah. For some more free gardening videos and tips, please subscribe to the Dad Gardener. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you on the next episode. Cheers. Now I've got these